Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today we're gonna make a 100% natural cold process coconut oil soap. It's super simple, easy to do. You just literally gonna need three ingredients, which is coconut oil, water, distilled water, and some sodium hydroxide to do a lye solution. Then, of course, what I will do, I think I'm gonna do three different types. So I'm gonna show you how it looks, how it's gonna look real coconut, just coconut, no coconut oil, no essential oils, no colorants, nothing. And then to the rest, I'm just gonna use some other essential oils and maybe some other colorants. I don't know, we'll see yet. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this video and this super simple, easy to do recipe. Make your own soap, which will be so beneficial not to only your hands but to wash your body as well. And I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. So no further ado, let's go and make them soaps. Well guys, so let's begin to weigh it out our distilled water, which is 190 grams for this recipe. So weighing out on the scales in the different beaker container. And the next one, we're gonna weigh it out our sodium hydroxide, 73.30 grams of it in a different container as well. And what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna slowly transfer sodium hydroxide bit by bit into our water. Just of course, before you're working with sodium hydroxide, you should wear your protective glasses, long sleeves, and gloves, which is I am not wearing. When you have your sodium hydroxide, the lye solution, then leave it to cool it off. And now in a different container, we're gonna weigh it out our coconut oil. 500 grams of coconut oil. I have in here a refined coconut oil. You can use unrefined, organic, or any other refined coconut oil. It's good enough for the soaps as well, especially soap making. And now don't forget your stick blender, and we're just gonna slowly transfer the lye solution into your coconut and blend it little by little. Transfer a little bit in your coconut oil and just blend it. It's gonna take a bit of time, not long time, till you will get your trace. As you see, the trace is appearing now a little bit. Now I'm just gonna transfer some of it in different containers because I'm just gonna do a different different colors. So in this one I'm putting my geranium essential oil and some red colorant. I'm using here a mineral pigment colorant. So, and now just gonna mix it all together. But first I'm just gonna use and do 2 white flowers of pure coconut without any essential oils and colorants. So now I'm just gonna mix it with the blender, colors and essential oils, and just gonna transfer it, whatever is left, to make a pink color into the different whatever is left from this white flowers. And I'm adding here just some of the neroli essential oil. If you like, you can add any other essential oil. It's up to you. Use different colorants because I have flowers here, so I'm just using pink and red color here. And now, as you see, the lovely pink color it appears here, and I'm just gonna do some of the flowers here and some of the little hearts here as well. And I'm just gonna transfer the rest of the red color hearts, which is with geranium essential oil. And the last of the flower. And after 24 hours they are pretty solid, and I just gonna take them out of the silicone molds and just gonna place it and leave it away for a few weeks. And I just gonna talk to you in a few weeks and for some demo information and show off how it lathers onto your skin. Lovely colors, lovely smell, which you cannot smell, and lovely little hearts here as well. Super simple and easy to do. See you in a few weeks. Good day, welcome back guys. So it's been about 2 or 3 weeks, so I just decided to do a video now just to show you how it lathers. I have a water here, a bowl of water here, so I'm just gonna show you how it lathers. So I made like a 3 different it's 100% coconut oil. It's just what I added a bit of color and I added some different essential oils. So the first one, the white one, it's 100% coconut. It's no colors, so it's a nice lovely white color as you see, no colors, and I didn't add any essential oil. Literally you cannot smell anything. So another one where I took one of these red little hearts. I put a mineral pigment, red mineral pigment, and I add some geranium essential oil, and I love how it smells. I love it. And then the last, I did a little pink flowers here, little hearts as well. This is the same red mineral pigment. It's just, of course, I added just a little bit to get this pink color, and to this pink flowers I add neroli essential oil. So okay, let's check it out how this is lathers. Straight away I feel softness onto my skin and it lathers perfectly. Oh, my hands are white already. As you see, yeah, I love that smell. I love geranium essential oil, especially in the soaps. It does make sense. Look how much lather, and it's 100% coconut. So what you need is only some water, sodium hydroxide, and coconut oil, and it's so simple to do, and it's all natural. Add your favorite fragrances if you want. If you don't want these white flowers, you know, they just they look, oh, lovely smell. They look amazing. Anyways, if you don't want to put any colors, add some different essential oils. Peppermint essential oil is very nice to have it on the, oh yeah, that feels nice and soft, and it doesn't dry the skin or anything. But as I got on my nose a bit but as I mentioned guys to you before, probably I did I don't know. So what you should do, you definitely want to leave this coconut bars for minimum 4 to 6 weeks. For now it's been about 2 or 3 weeks. I'm just gonna leave another few weeks definitely. This way they will harden more. The rest of the water where it was used in a lye solution, it will evaporate. So that means that the soap's gonna get harder and it will last longer. Okay, because in general when you do a coconut 100% coconut cold process soap, you will see they harden straight away after 24 hours, and you will like, oh, maybe I will use now. But no, don't. I know it's very tempted, but don't, because it might, if you will use straight away after a couple days or a week or 2, it might dry out your skin. Okay, so just be conscious of that. So give yourself time, leave it for minimum 4 to 6 weeks, and you will be able to enjoy these lovely soaps in 6 weeks or so. So guys, I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next week. Bye.